Welcome, today I've heard of me Black Shark 5 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see two the same photos, wallpapers on the home and lock screen of our device. And to change it, we should open the settings application and then scroll down to wallpaper section. After that, you can see here the new wallpapers, the live wallpapers. You can use them if you connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data, or if you wanna just use your default wallpapers on your device, tap here to profile and click then here to wallpapers. Now we can see here of all of our default wallpapers on our Black Shark device. If you wanna use your photo from the gallery, from the Google Drive, for example, from the files downloaded from the internet, you should click here on this plus icon, and after that you can use, for example, photo from your device gallery. Let's use this one. Just select the wallpaper and tap to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should slide with our two fingers to the center at the same time, and after that on the left down corner you'll see wallpaper icon here. Just click here once on the icon and you'll activate the same wallpapers. The online one, you can use your device wallpapers here, but let's use the online wallpapers now. Just be sure that you are connected to the internet, and for example let's use this wallpaper or just one from those. I want to use this tree. I think that looks so good. So tap then here to apply and set as lock screen. Now just wait a second, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.